get a link to my stream. This guy. So apparently 5 streams dedicated to entity. Yeah, this is when OP takes over my brain and I start enjoying it. So here are the latest blog posts. You should go to my blog. Your life will dramatically improve. Trust me. Make your ding dong double in size. Okay. Today is a special day. It's another white monster stream. And what do I mean by that? I'll harness the power of energy drinks. Yeah, finally. Oh wow. It's impossible not to like it. So, get Geom. Yeah, it's not the same. Get distance. Something very wrong here. Let's take a look. Add item. Oh, and it keeps going. Oh, allow targeting. Okay, allow targeting. Copy this rep. Alrighty. So I don't really know what was the last thing that I did yesterday. Well, let's take a look. Git log. Oh, it was get distance feed, okay. And I committed those 2 scripts. Okay. That's fine. So in both of these projects, kind of funny, is that I have 2 versions, a Power PC and a non-Power PC version. Of course, being Power PC, there's some small difference. Okay, allow targeting is that. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. This is 90, right? Okay, yeah. That's basically it. Okay, I can do allow targeting. Oh wow, it's defined here. damage interface. That's interesting. Is combat target. Let's see. Touch. Restore code. And so apparently it looks like it's just is combat target. Is combat target. This looks fine. Pow, 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 pow. Okay, all good. My god, I drank so much already. And yeah, this is perfect. Uh-huh. So this guy, okay, matching. Direct, okay, matching. What else do I need here? Yeah. Get distance with okay. And more importantly, I need validation. So if flag non-target, non-target, just put 0 and see what happens. The validator complains, rightfully so, because the value 131072. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Okay. One missing. So git diff. And yeah. Oh yeah. Maybe I should go there. Uh, maybe I can add the other part too. No. Yes. No. So git diff cached. That's perfect. So git commit entity is combat target. Yeah. Is combat target. Yeah. Now for the rest, I can just do allow targeting. Very good. Wait, is it 2 T's or 1 T? Man, I don't know how to write, for fuck's sake. There's some words that I never know how to spell. Ah. Okay, that's very good to see. So get distance fade, okay, suspend. Oh, doesn't look too crazy, but there's a function call here. Get data rating, suspend, yeah. So it goes to AI interface push disable. Okay. Huh. So if that flag is not set, then do that. And there's something there. AI interface. Okay. If that AI interface is not null. Okay. Oh. Okay, I have two ways of writing this. Push disable as link interface. Okay. Okay, I see where it goes. Where is the thing? The span. Okay. I need it from here. Hey Ricard, what's good, G? Hey man. Feeling really good today. It's getting so cold now, but I really like running and being able to run in this cold feels really well. If suspended. Okay, this looks different then. But let's not worry too much. It doesn't look too different if as AI interface and then just do AI interface push table. Okay, there's a lot of missing things here. Okay, that's true. So it's not perfect, but I remember protected. So it does add 4. Okay. Oh, what happened here? I also made a new blog post this week, so anyone else? Yeah, I saw it. I've seen some people online say, like, the media is so crazy. They say that they killed the consoles or that they revolutionized things. It always sounds so fake. I really like what they are doing, and the fact that they are not going, and the fact they are doubling down on the Arch-based distro, it's so cool, because canonical they are pieces of shit. That's a fact. Generic interface tech. Okay, I need to look for this. So, yeah, I am really happy with it. If you don't know, Canonical is the guys that make Ubuntu. And even though Ubuntu is a Debian derivative, they have their small little fingers up what's it called, Debian 2 class public entity interface. Okay. Oh, actually they declare it here. Okay. Unless see the specs on paper, look at the specs. That's the thing. I didn't see. So I don't remember if it's x86 or ARM. But yeah. Oh well. Well, I have something fun. I don't know if you were in yesterday's stream, but yesterday I spent most of the day fighting against a Chinese PCI card that I got. This guy over here. So dealing with hardware, it was really fun. I have this connector and my motherboard doesn't support it. I had to download some shady Chinese software to flash a different firmware. So this is the SPI flash here. is the chip, and I had to flash the thing. It was really weird, but it was really fun actually. Yeah, it worked fine. But after seeing how weird hardware is, if they can ship hardware that just works all together, I'm happy with it. You know, I don't know the inner details on what Mr. Gabe Newell is doing. Interface, AI interface. But I know that working with hardware vendors is really annoying / hard. So sometimes when usually the better hardware, they try to be as closed down as possible. So that kind of hurts what they are trying to do. Yeah, interface. Though the biggest complaint that I've seen with the Steam Cube or Steam, what is it called? The controller. Well, yeah. Well, kind of funny that you say that, because modern Xbox and Sony consoles, they are x86 machines. So Sony runs the PlayStation is FreeBSD based, which it's a popular operating system in the servers. I've used it on my laptop, it worked fine. And Xbox is just a custom entity kernel. So basically, both of those are basically just PCs, lockdown PCs. And what Valve is doing is that since everything is x86, we can also do our thing. So push disable, huh? That's interesting. Oh, okay, it failed to be built. AI locomotion. The only company that basically refuses to play fair with everyone else is Nintendo. And Gabe Newell himself has praised Nintendo because they do whatever they want, and that's such a massive power. I guess that's why they also went with the Arch-based distro. You basically get the kernel, and you do whatever you want. Use an undefined AI interface. Okay, I'll need to comment these guys. And yeah, even with Wayland stuff, Valve just bought another yacht and is literally just fucking around in life. Yeah, man, that's an enviable position. Uses undefined class. Entity interface 46. What's the problem here? Now, or generic interface. Where does rationality come from? Well, he has a lot of money. Oh shit. Unlike other rich people like Bill Gates that try to force others to live the way they want, Gavin is basically doing his own thing and inviting everyone to join him. I respect. Where is his rationality defined, man? It's used in so many places, though. rect. Jesus. Maybe I can do type def. Type def. Oh, PC algebra. Who imports PC algebra? Maybe I need to import algebra. PC algebra. Yeah, I just need to import algebra. So okay, include algebra.h. Okay, let's see if this works now. Changes a lot of things. Cannot include AI polypath. He also has another big advantage, is that Valve is a private company. And that's such an enviable position to be in compared to other. Going public 99% of the time is just suicide. With most companies being focused on hyperscale, it's kind of a meme at this point, where what matters is that you're growing. And growing is not the money you make, is the is the undefined metric that they choose. AI polypath each. Most companies is actually the money. H. That's right. Subscription models have become so prevalent. And for some reason, people still go to university to learn that if you squeeze money out of your customers, more money, you'll make more money. Really, truly revolutionary thinking. Okay. Oh, so many errors. This is amazing. I just want to do one thing. Okay. Okay. I know that Valve is also super money oriented. There were some testimonies from old employees. Remember this woman saying that she was pitching an idea, saying that it will make them, I don't know how many millions. And the response she got was, that's 0 billions. It's kind of a baller response. Jesus Christ, so many errors. Push heap. Undeclared identifier. Thanks. There's so many errors. Heap undeclared identifier. Okay. Panic. Do. Okay. This is how you fix stuff. You delegate it to future you, and that's the proper way to do it. Panic. Beautiful. Yay, I'm killing the errors now. Up heap. Mother. Oop heap. I fix one thing and two errors go away. So what else do I need here? I don't know where that waypoint list thing comes from, but oh, only 68 errors. Now I have other errors. AI constants. Ah, constants.h. Okay, makes sense. The Steam frame looks cool, I gotta admit. I had a VR headset for a very short amount of time, and I really enjoyed it, but I didn't have the space to play. But now I have the space to play, so I've been thinking about getting something. I have now a big, not a big house, but way bigger than before, so I have lots of space. And now that I know that wireless headsets are as good as wired ones, there's no reason to get wires. Here we go. I still don't how greedy is relative to other developers. I don't know what you mean. I don't know. There's multiple ways to talk about this. So Valve was not shy about licensing their source engine, which is really cool. But as far as I know from support from their side, it was kind of lackluster. The source engine has lots of quirks. But what I know about the source stuff is that or being on Steam is that if you're on Steam on every other platform, you need to have the game at the same price, and I mean for the PC version, of course. That's number one. So what happens is that you cannot have your game cheaper on what is it called, Epic Games, right? But at the same time, Epic Games so as far as I know, if you have your game on Steam, Valve takes 30% of it, of the revenue. Compared to Epic Games, which I think is way less, like 20 or 15. I don't know the exact amount. So that means that if you buy the same game, if the same game is on Steam and Epic, and you buy it on Epic, the developer will basically make more money out of it, because that's how it works, right? Oh wow, everything seems to be commented out. What? Oh well. Why is everything commented out? Okay. Hopefully it just works. Oh my god, now I need to include all the interfaces. This is annoying. So yeah, that's one thing. So that's why people call Valve a monopoly in that regard. They force you. So you cannot have a game on their store be cheaper than on other stores. But then every developer wants to be on Steam interface. That's how you get the monopoly. So so that's one aspect of it. But Steam, in terms, like for the developers, even though it might suck a little, the reason why it's so popular is because the consumers like it. And I guess that's, oh my god, front-end manager. No. I don't want to get into that thing now. Front-end manager. Oh yeah. Let's just try to remove this, right? Okay. Animation interface. So once I bought a game on Steam through with CSGO keys, and then that copy got revoked. Animation interface. And I complained to Valve, to the Steam support, and they actually recovered me the keys. And they said, hey, don't do these types of deals anymore. I said, okay, you got it. So they are really pro-consumer in many regards. But at the end of the day, they, you know, are a business and they need to make money. The whole Steam Grid and Light thing is kind of crazy. Because now anyone can pay $99 or $100, right? And they are on Steam. Kind of a revolutionary thing when it started. Vector and declare animation interface. What the fuck? Oh, that's right. STD. Okay. I have so many errors on this screen. In expressions, yeah, 54. Oh, yeah, my bad. So something that's recently started happening in the music industry is that artists, I remember Kanye and Travis Scott did the same thing. You could go to their websites and buy the album or tracks straight from them, right? So you wouldn't need to pay iTunes, Apple Music. It was like $1, $5, depending. But the thing is that they got the whole cut themselves, which is crazy. That couldn't happen, definitely, on Steam. Ooh, AI interface. Okay. A developer cannot say, oh yeah, go to our website and buy the game for cheaper. Like, oopsie, sorry. That's not how it works. Yeah, it's kind of hip now to hate on Steam for little things. Boop, 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 Yeah, let me just add STD to all of these guys. Oh my god. STD. There, not there. Here. AI goes mech. What the heck? Ah, okay. AI goes mech. Okay, this looks acceptable. Yeah, it mentions surfers and whatever, but oops, so many errors. Missing. Well. What's the problem? Missing semicolon. What? Can I just do this? Look, it's Craven the Hunter right there. Wow. Okay, it helped a lot. doing that. Oh god, I hate these things so much. Oh yeah, I forgot to do the same thing for list. Do 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 do. Currently, it's super hot to hate on Valve and Steam because they were the darlings of the gaming industry. They were so cool and hip. But then someone found something. He's not a member of entity. Something that is not, how do I say, as hip and cool about them. And all the YouTubers starting doing downfalls of stupid content like that. Valve is quite secretive about their being sued. What are you making? Hey. I'm reverse engineering Spider-Man the movie game for the PC. I also have a blog. You should go there to better understand what's actually going on. That's it. Polytube. Who the heck? Oh, it's referred here. Okay, Polytube is the last one. Polytube.h. After this, after I fix the compilation errors, I know that I'll get a bunch of linking errors. B-spline. What the hell? Oh, there's b-spline.h. $116 errors. Yay! So now, oh no, 24. Indeed. Okay. Are there more vector stuff? Yes, there is. Right here too. More vectors? No. More lists. Lists? No. Okay, this should be fine. Polytube. Polytube. 62. Oh yeah. PD. So it's a vector of vector 3Ds. That's interesting. That's certainly something that I haven't seen before. Ooh, I know that function. The fast whatever. Yeah, and the way to deal with it. But, oopsie. No. 697. Yeah, this guy, exactly. Nice. Do and panic. Just adding panics everywhere. Looks very nicely. 1797. Mm-hmm. 70 errors. Let's go. Oh, I went to the wrong line. Okay. That's something. Okay. I think that file built. Hallelujah. Okay. AI interface is done. That's good to know. Now the problematic files are AI polypath and AI locomotion. Maybe I should focus on AI polypath first. Looks easier. Polypath CPP. Where the hell is polypath CPP? Right here. 461. List. Oh, Polypass CPP just built. Oh my god, it was just that little thing. AI locomotion is missing hard attribute interface. So, time to do locomotion. Oh well, hard interface.h. Attribute template.h. Yeah, but typo there. Good. So template.h there. Entity hard attributes. Holy moly, it keeps going. Character. Okay. Okay, I understand. Please work. So entity character. Character. Find your numbers and floats here. Okay. Surprisingly. A fatal error. If not defined, okay. But entity hard attributes, okay. Entity hard attributes. That's the problem. End of file found before the left brace. Is that file cooked? Why are these Macs completely cooked? They don't seem to be working. I don't know why, but I'll just maybe the definitions, the copy pasting is broken. Okay, okay, this is really good to see. Oof, alrighty. AI locomotion. Now we're back to path.h. Go to line 30. Vector 3D. I think I know where it comes from. Yeah, algebra. Yeah, I need to include algebra.h. There you go. Oh, it fixed most of the issues. Only 21 errors. So hard at, oh my fucking god, what? Oh yeah, okay, this is the problem that I was referring to. Okay, now this is better. It broke that, it broke this macro. AI locomotion 256. is gigantic function. Oh yeah, return true. Of course, panic to do is hard. That's commented. It's only 3. 12 errors. We're getting closer. Past scene. Cosine. Okay. To do. Panic. Good. Only 11 errors as animation IFC. So as and adjust jockey. So here you do to do, and then you do panic. Beautiful. And so many 18 linking errors. That's incredible. So, hey, this is good to see. Let's go. Okay, path graph. Where the hell? Oh, okay, so path CPP. So I can just go to path CPP and define it. I guess that's where most of them will be defined. Oh my god, 2000 lines. And I already see some problems. So let's just get ahead of the curve. Like, what? There we go. There we go. There we go. My god. It keeps going. Keeps going. But I have 800 lines still to go. Oh. This game was not afraid of the STL. Which... interesting. The STL tends to be heavily avoided because the STL is not bad per se, but a lot of the problems with the STL is that no. Wait, I have one. I'm missing one. No. Okay, I'm missing multiple. Is that it's not optimized for video games. Okay. Oh, my bad. I didn't add pass CPP. I'll get compilation errors again. Oh, 15. Wow. Okay, this file just built. This is really good to see. Touches portal. Polypath cell. Query for path. Maybe I can get creative here. So render beam. This guy. To do a panic. And random pointer. Not there, okay, whatever. Still references the G random pointer, okay. So I need to fix polypath first. AI polypath CPP. So query for path. Okay, this guy. Panic return true to do. Good. It's easier to rebuild. 13 to go. Request link. It's all in the same place. That's cool to see. So you just do this to do 12. Force to cell column. Panic to do 11. Okay. There's a find sector here. Find sector. It's only used here. Makes me feel good when it's only used in one place. And why does every week I stumble upon these massive chunks of code that I'm missing? Let's see if I... return null. Panic. Do. Turn true. Do. Panic. If most of it builds, I'll leave it be. 8. Polypath only has 2 compute sector. Only one, this guy. So, do. Panic. Nice. What's the other? Init. Oh, it's right here. That's indeed tragic. To do. Beautiful. 6. Oof. They are in AI locomotion. AI locomotion. And it's eligible for frame advance indeed. So do panic return true. Doesn't really matter what's there. Touches sphere, touches segment. It's all here. Make do. Only okay, now I still have 2 linking errors. Why does it say 3? Okay, it has 2 errors and it cannot link, so it's 3 errors. That's really dumb. That's the opposite of smart. File finder. Panic. Dude, beautiful. I love this. G random pointer. G, man, where does it come from? Maybe I can just define it instead of commenting it out. Maybe it's defined in random CPP. That really looks, ooh, so many. Okay, Kelly Slater's Pro Surfer. Or G random pointer. Yeah, it really looks like it's game CPP. Oh, it's defined in game CPP. Okay. Do I have a game CPP? I don't think I do. I don't. So include game.h. And there you go. Include files. What? That's it. It works. Okay. Now, so the game builds and something is broken. Radius light manager. Okay. So as you can see, things got pushed down 4. But that's fine. That's fine. I had to add lots of things. Look how many files I had to add to this. And it's crazy. So I need to save the workspace, export new makefile, export makefile. Git status. Nice. So you add -a. So now I can do checkpoint, add a bunch of interfaces. And the fact that it builds is the most important part, to be honest. And I'm almost running out of monster. I don't want to drink too. Now it's time to fix alignment issues, aka the funniest things of all time. So the problem is that radius in Light Manager, so radius got pushed down, right? And that's no bueno. So I need to remove something or someone from here. I have no idea what the hell is that. Use spawn. I have no idea what those functions are. This is such a stupid large class. Why do I have a padding virtual there? Oh, it's a render trail. Okay, okay. I removed this guy. Oh my god, it works. Oof. That's beautiful. The more garbage I can remove, the happier I'll be. Alrighty. Are you ready, kids? Aye, Captain. So, use of undefined AI interface 2998. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, this works as expected, but let's take a look at the compiled version. Entity obj. Suspend. Yeah. Suspended. Okay. Let me check something here. Oh, it's suspended right here. Oh, that's the call. Hmm. What the hell? What the hell? Ante. So, script library entity. Yeah. Hmm. I see. Why couldn't it find it? I don't know. Suspending. Yeah, okay. No, it's is suspended. Oh, here it is. Is suspended. Okay, let's look for it. Whee! Such a huge file. Hmm. Is it suspended now? Is gravity? Is visible? Is active? Huh. The, the Heliante? Uh, I see, I see. Oh, is that thing commented out? Get num items. No, doesn't look like it. Oh. Destroy, kill light, create entity, cache entity. G-call. Yeah. Yeah. Action activated by. Yeah. Okay. Register. And they removed. Okay. So it was removed. That's why it's so weird. So I use this or not? Okay, I'll write the code as it looks like, and then I'll be happy. So is flagged. E flag. MISC. Suspended. And then you do set flag. Set flag, E flag, MISC suspended, okay. Then it looks fine. Shut one error. Okay. Let me just go to region and fix something. Oh, true. Vector 3D resp. Return resp. Okay. This will remove all the warnings that I'm getting. Oh. Yeah. So, I think this is here. Vector 3D. My God. Now it works. And actually, let me move this thing here. Much better. Set flag does not take. Yeah, okay, suspend. Maybe I can do these flags. E flag needs suspended. Okay. So now oh wow. I'm gonna kill myself. Huh. That's really good. Okay, there's a problem, as you might see here. The interface should be at B0 and not at whatever that thing is. So you need to go. Yeah. Run the Lua stuff. E flag MISC suspended. Let me see if I can do it now. Wait. Nice. Okay. Where is the thing? So B0. B0 is here. So AI IFC should be B0. And on bound member, what? Maybe entity interface. So when you do entity interface, you get okay, it's my AI IFC. My AI interface. And oh god, I'm getting trolled. So yeah, it's at 9C and should be at B0. Okay. That's very interesting. So entity interface AI. So patch moved around. So then it starts. Oh, actually needs to be a couple. Should be after radius, right? Oh no. Okay, padding 4. Okay, let's just add this here. Whatever. So radius, this guy. So this A8. Interesting, yeah. Animation tree. Let's just put it here, right? Oh my god, it's building a lot of files with no warnings. But it got D4. Oh wow. I put it here. AC. Okay, max animation slots. Reduce the number. Whatever. 3, fuck it. Who's going to know? Maybe I can just remove that whole thing and that will be cool. We got B8. Ooh. So if I do this, how is that pointer so? I do this. Will this build, please? It won't. Please build now. I got expected DC, but got BC. Okay. Make. Okay, I need to look into this. Make an anim table. Play loop animation. That's an assertion. Get animation tree. Get animation tree. Right here, okay. Actually, I can use this to my advantage. Because apparently animation trees do exist. Where is this used? Something cool. Play, okay. I think I found some validate. And animation trees, right? Let's put 0 for now, and then we'll figure it out. Oh yeah. Since for Kelly Slater, they messed around so much with this thing, it's getting really hard. Okay, that's all good. So get animation tree. AI locomotion Spider-Man. Okay. Crawl ext tran something. This guy. It's used in 2 places. Yes. Cool. It's not this, it's most likely this guy. Yeah, it's this guy. should be this guy too. No. Ah, found it. This is the entity get animation tree. Okay. Entity get animation tree. We need to one. Oh, it's the same thing in both versions. 94. Wow. So wait. Oh god, what the my god, my brain is hurting so much. It's so fragmented now. It's crazy. Uh-huh. Oh no. Oh no. This is crazy. The way that they mess this is crazy. Detach animation. Detach. Bam. Okay. So light MGR. So let's move it here, right? Protected. You're protected. And this whole thing needs to go. Okay. And this goes to MI. Yeah, this guy. So get this. Okay, protected. Okay, this is a big change. Hopefully it will work just fine. Invalid index. Okay. So my assertions table is completely cooked at this point. Return. Okay. This will help for a jiffy, as everything got destroyed. We got a yeah. Got a C center. There's no space for padding. Uh, are there any virtual functions here? Oh, yes, there are. Anim trees, but got 98. Ooh. The AI interface doesn't need to be there. I have no idea why it's there. Where can I put it? Okay, linking. We got 9C for center region. Not you. So animation trees. Ah, okay. Indeed, it's because of this current animation stuff. Moved for now. So, what you do, Interesting. Panic. I don't need to put to do because, you know, it will happen. Yo, what? Panic. Let's go. Nice. Panic is by definition get animation. Oh god, not this again. No. Okay. This is how you remove the warnings. It doesn't see it as a no return, so the compiler is a little iffy. Like, oh no, you killed my dog. But got AC, nice, nice, nice. But got B0. I'm so close. I'm so close, yet so far away. So what I can do, right? Interface. To make my life super duper easy is do this. You know, the last item that I care about, I should only focus on it, right? DC. And that's super easy to focus on, so just do. So my DC minus B0. That should work fine. I'm just making huge pointers, but that's fine. My light manager is at DC, okay. Oh well, just do it this way and it should work fine. Yeah. Probably I shouldn't be moving things around. I should just create big gaps. Okay. Now it's time for these guys. So the vtables are all cooked now. That's beautiful. So but got 10. Okay. So get IFC num. Expected 8, but got 10. So hey yo, what the heck? What's going on here? This is one of those cases that I'll just need to do this. This entity. Let's go. Get IFC. This guy. So whoa. Why is a touch animation there? So those two managed to sneak in. are they there? What? It's just because attach animation is there. Okay. Okay. And okay, let's just copy these guys. They don't have any thing, so let's just put it above here. Yank. It should be fine. Yay. No, it's not fine. Again? No. I don't think. Did I actually build this or no? Yeah, it's there. Okay. What? Still doesn't work. Ah, okay. I see what's going on. Expected on 160 on 170. Set recursive page. There's them acquire and whatever. Maybe I should do it here. Okay. Okay, now it works. This is very weird. I gotta be honest. Why does it require all of this extra work? No one knows. So let's check push disable, right? So push disable this thing. Alrighty. Wait, does it take two? Okay. Doesn't matter. So AI interface. Ah, beautiful. AI interface. Push disable. Okay, it doesn't look too bad. So type def void Pascal pointer. Pointer func. Pointer. No. Okay, where's suspend? It's down here. I know. So fade. Okay. So it's this one. Yeah. Go here. Go there. Yeah. Here's the function. Func return. Nice. And put a panic in case I forget. It looks fine. Too few actual parameters. Oh. Thanks, Mr. Compiler. I couldn't have done this without you. Good. So suspend. So I can do this, push, disable. This should work now. Right? Why isn't this working? Entity interface. Yeah. Entity interface. Okay, it works. So AI interface. Okay. Yeah, right there. Push disable. Yeah, public. What am I missing here? Oh, I think I know what's the problem. Include AI interface .h to do no patch because it doesn't know that AI IFC. Let's go push disable. No, push disable this guy. That should work. Nice. Okay, that's one of the weird things about C++, but suspend. That is suspend. Ah, it feels good. It feels good. And jump, push. Oh god, this is exactly what I expected. So, thank you. Okay, matching. No. And suspend. This guy. Why do I have a message? Uh, alrighty. Um, No, I'm almost running out of my beverage. It's the worst thing of all time. Disable. Man, the amount of goofiness that I had to pull to make this work. It's crazy. But I'm happy. I should just care about the latest thing. Entity suspend. And on that same note, we can do this guy. Okay. So I believe underneath it should be unsuspend. I didn't do it. Actually, AI interface push this. Okay. A seats B0. My AI AFC. Good. Okay. I should declare it here too. Right here. Entity. There's the same gap here. No. Void my AI IFC. Bam. Oh god. Feels good to have this guy finally meet. Entity. Suspended. So unsuspend and suspend. Pop disable. It's the same concept all over again. It's kind of cool that this thing is protected. So here as AIFC, pop disable. Fast call. Okay, I do have fast call there. Disable. Yeah. Pointer. AI interface. Pointer. Pointer. This guy. Yes. And this guy is called is on this term. Okay, I'd say that this is good. So let's prepare for this. Okay. Now we have unsuspend. Suspend. Yeah. No, it's wrong. So the reason why it's wrong is that it should be the opposite. With this. Yeah, never had doubts that it wouldn't be easy. So now you do it. And suspend. There you go. No. Is okay. And span, it's fine. And now it's time to do this guy. This is this. Okay. Really nice to see. Okay, possibly activate. Or let's keep this for now. Possibly aging. Okay. Based. Okay, looks pretty much matching. And tweaking. 31, 4. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay. Let me just introduce the name of the fields here. It will be quite helpful. So, possibly aging. Entity, my visrep. Okay. Oh, it's different across these two. Oh, it's different. So visrep has a different. Okay. That's fine. So possibly aging. Okay. Get is UV animated. Oh, okay. So visual rep.h length. Oh. Okay. So 60 is 3C. 3C divided by 4, so it's 15. It's on the, so I need to add more validation. Visrep.cpp. Is UV animated. Okay, it doesn't really matter there. But this looks fine. That's just, oh wow. Missing, okay, I broke something. 6 errors. 154. Okay. What's going on? Oh, I accidentally cloned a few lines. That's why it was so great. Okay, 79. So yeah, I can just return these repty. Doesn't really change anything. But at least I can give the excuse to the compiler not to cry. And it passes, so possibly aging is another one for the history. Possibly aging, okay. Another one for the history books. So you get this. Possibly aging. No, that's the wrong one. So I have the wrong one. Where's the entity v table? Entity v table. Right here. So go down. Pause active. Oh wow, so many things that I need to remove. Okay, let's see if I have anything. I don't. Kind of. So there's is alive. Okay, this seems simple enough. B8. Mm-hmm. But good. So is alive. Hmm. So undo vehicle. I don't think this will work, but just for the love of the game, let's do it. Exactly. So damage is alive. So and it's go to damage interface and yeah. I don't think I have damage interface anywhere. It looks like it's another one of those damage. Don't tell me that they nuked it out of existence. Oh, it doesn't look like. So is alive. Yeah, it's exactly that. Hit points. The hell is hit points? Bounded attribute. What the hell is a bounded attribute? And not everything needs to be this overly complicated interface. Okay. Okay. I apologize. Now that I'm reading it, I gotta be honest. It's kind of based, but based on what? Okay. This looks cool. What else do we need? Do I need the implementation? Yeah, let's just add implementation for funsies. Hardware audio. So cannot open message board. But do I need damage interface message board? Remove. Okay. And I'll also remove this. I don't care. Handheld item. So apply damage. That's crazy, right? Because I'm just here adding panics left and right. Okay, well, add time limited effect. Yeah, I understand where you come from. And create preloaded and okay. Sweet. Bam. Ah. But I already have bounded attribute. Hey yo, what the? I think I'll have a bad time with that. Oh well. So entity, right? Entity decal. No, interface. Okay, this guy. Damage. Big call. Yeah. And do big call for damage. And let's go. Woohoo! So many errors. Missing. Why missing storage or type with okay. Indeed. Big call. Undo big call. My god. Yeah, the errors were way too weird. Yeah. Excuse you? And it worked. Can I do this? As damage IFC. It should work. Undefined. Okay, indeed. So the problem is the same thing. Is that you need to include the proper thing now. And it just works beautifully. Getting better at this. Feels good. And forgot the name of the function that I was doing. Is alive. Well, I get the spirit, but it's totally wrong, right? Okay, there's a couple things that I need to do. She's fine. Okay. So first, let's actually start in damage interface. Okay, so we have a good place to start, and damage interface. Interface. Beautiful. So void validate. Do the same here. Patch. Nice. So go now to DLL main. I should move that thing down. Okay, and here. Done. Merge interface. Now it should build. So hit points, all bounded thing. Is live. Exactly. So this hit point saying, okay. Validate damage interface. Hit point should be at 8. Okay, good. I know that this is absolutely wrong, but I need to move these to a couple places down south. So let's take a look, right? So it needs to be at B8, which is right after the my AI interface, which is really good to see. So entity. Interface AI. Now I need to add more padding. So padding. Okay. Padding, what's the DC minus B8 minus R. Okay. I guess now this should be fine. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Oh, and it worked. Oh, la 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 la. Wait. How did it work though? Shouldn't have worked. Expected 0 but got 8. Okay. Man. I'm getting cold. What the heck? Let me just grab some. Give me a minute. Is alive. Okay, this is kind of good and bad at the same time. I don't know if the whole bounded thing is important, but it's definitely causing issues. I need to address that. I cannot patch it. Come on, man. Okay. Much better. B8, indeed. So my really good friend goes here at B8. But the problem is Mr. is alive. Okay, let me just put a different album. I already heard 2 times the same album. Let me listen to Nostalgia Ultra. Full album. Mr. Frank Ocean. Oh, I didn't know it was 30 minutes. Okay. Okay. So, damage interface. So is alive calls hit points dot get. That requires. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Attribute template. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let's move this up. To be correct now, but Or should I put the attribute templates though? Does it exist? Because if it doesn't exist, it's kind of cool. I can just nuke it. Doesn't seem to exist. So I should add the validation somewhere. Maybe to damage interface because they are the ones using it. If it doesn't exist, it doesn't exist. So okay. It's harder to do validation for it. Shit. Yeah, I can do it. It's really weird. It's a weird thing. He's alive. C. Oh no. Does it have a virtual thing? Yeah, okay. I believe it's not the virtual bounded attribute now. That's removed for now. Why does it have to be a virtual thing, man? What the heck? But I need a way to access the thing. Okay, if you press F6 or F8, it just nukes this. The bounded attribute construct. Okay, can look for this. It doesn't seem to exist anywhere, so I don't think it's a bounded attribute. Okay, maybe I can nuke it out, right? So Mr. Damage Interface. Yeah, that's the problem. Okay, set maxi point. Okay, damage. We use a set hit points though. Let's look for this. Need to make an informed decision. Nice. This is the CSS that I get. Hmm. What? I don't care about these guys. They can go down. Replace with regular int. What's the issue? Left of dot get, but must be patch. It's basically the same thing at the end of the day. Teehee. Oh, get IFC now. Okay. This is a good one. Why does it look so weird? Okay. What the heck? Why does the code look so weird? Max hit points. Get F's. IFC internal get macro. Okay. Ah. So max hit points. If something, return true. Okay. This is good to see. So armor points is at 20. That means the size is 12. Huh. Okay. Maybe they are cooking something. My bad, my bad, my bad. So how do I fix this? It's indeed a bounded attribute. Yeah, it will be weird if they changed it. I removed the virtual part of it because it's goofy. You don't need me to tell you that. So can I do this? Validate template attribute. Wait, validate bounded attribute. I can do validate bounded int value should be at 0. Does this work? Okay, I have lots of bugs. Thank God I comment stuff. Not enough validate. Not enough what the hell? Oh, I forgot the comma. And it works. That's my validations. I don't need to patch anything. That's just how it is, right? Good. No, it didn't work. But so bounded attribute value, it's 4. So oh sweet. Now it should look perfect. How did I manage to get the key out of my keyboard? Okay. So is alive. Is alive. This guy. Okay, that was a long time. Okay, matching. But before that, I need to go to damage interface. Okay, if. So yeah, okay, there's indeed 2 untracked files. So I can do damage interface is alive. Now git diff is entity is alive. Is dying, it returns nothing. Yeah, okay. Okay, matching. Is dying. That's dope. So I've got it to match. Ooh, it's two vehicles. So yeah, this is just calling the parent function. Okay. Is alive or die? Is alive or dying? Good, 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 good. Good load entity. Ooh. So it seems that I'm on the proper path. Yeah. Okay. This is really good. This is really good to see. So set preload true, get brain. So just do this. Patch. Move. Destroy. Info. So entity, yes. Yeah. Okay. Is it the same? So, so I'm on the wrong file. Okay, that's why I couldn't. Hee. Okay. Just is. Okay, it was preloaded, set preloaded. That's a nice way of writing that code. Okay, matching. Wait, no. Set preloaded. Nice. Now it should be matching. Oh, load. IFL compute boost. What the heck? Doesn't look too bad. Oh, yeah, it's not the same. Yeah, nice. Oh, oh, is not too far away from the truth. I speak the truth. Okay, alrighty. So this looks like a good one to do. Use item. This one over here. Wait. I think I know what's there. Interesting. Okay. Wow. Hmm. Okay. Let's continue. Okay, this looks simple. Get last position. So the entity is actually the second argument here. 88.8. So movement info. Okay. So get last position. Okay. Ah, now I see that my code has that stupid thing. It doesn't need it. Okay. So PO. Static alloc static alloc class header. Okay, that's cool. Let's see if this works, right? Frame delta is frame delta get position. This should, I think it's this. What's the name of this song? It's so good. Dust. Hmm. Entity movement info. Yeah. So the size should be way bigger than it. 58. Oh wow. Looks like it's set frame delta. Trans. It's this function over here. Yeah, 58, okay. Void validate entity movement info. Validate. How big is this? Can just call it here at the bottom, right? Instead of adding to the LL main. Different type modifier. What? Oh. That's right. Okay. Zero. $48. So this is the size. Let me just check something. Be right back. So how do I address this? So what's the size of PO again? Oh, it's huge. It's 40. Yeah. Not a big fan of what I'm about to do, but I think it will work for now. So I'll need to add the validation to that thing. Linking. And validation passes, but 34. How big was it? It's this one. 48. Get last position, render. 34. Okay. So yeah, it's 4 bytes off which sucks. But, you know, if I do something... There was something very weird about YouTube looping now. Entity... Anthony... This guy. Now it's matching, but... Okay. Should be happy, but it's weird. So, what's the name? Frame delta. I don't know what's the position, so let's just see what the validator says. The validator says it should be 18. Yeah, makes sense because it's 40. Okay, matching. Last position. Hmm. Oh, wait, I'm confused now. So get last position. Go 2 down. There should be this guy. Ah, I'm on the wrong one. My God. Set recursive H. Yeah, this guy. Ooh, it looks fun. What? Oh, wait. Entity. Come on, where is it? The fuck is going on outside? Okay, someone knows. D0. I think I have that. Wait, let me just check what's going on. Oh well, no biggie. Okay. D0. I should finish this soon too. Highlight manager. Get age, set age. Time value T. So is time value a float? So what I gotta do? What? All right, there. Actually, it's a float. Yeah. Set recursive age. But here it's a panel. Okay. Entity. Ah, okay. So, okay. Highlight MGR. So, time value T. Cursive age. Assume name. And D0. So let's add it here. Recursive H, right? D0. D0. So I need padding of 8 here. That's D0 here. So this should validate just fine. Nice. So set recursive age. Get age, set age. Okay. Maybe I need to look into set age, right? Rebirth. Okay. Let's see what these guys have to say about it. Bro. Set age. Yeah, okay. Frame info T. Ah, frame info at H. Oh, let's do this. So frame info get H. Frame info. Indeed. Okay. So frame info get H. Indeed. So this 0. Export. Public. Okay. Export. How big is frame info though? 1, 2, 3. There's quite a few things, but it does look small. Okay, it's 8C. So it's C. It's the size of C. So entity get H. Indeed. So frame time info. And the age is there. Okay. It's public, so much moved around. So go to recursive age. Bam. And I don't need this. Protected. That's cool. Okay. Beautiful. So let me just go to my assertions. Patch. Patch. No, the opposite direction. Is patch. Frame inf. So validate frame info age 0. Good. Now, need to look at set age. So I guess that is matching. So this guy, if it add frame info cp set age, good. Oh, so frame. So set age, okay. No, entity. Yeah, exactly. Nice. So push polyred this guy. Set age. No need for this. Nice. It's touch. What? Come on. Okay, git diff. Yeah. So this is a git commit set h. Good. 3. This guy. Nice. So get age. Oh, it used to be age. Okay. At age, yes. It looks fine. These get age. Okay, matching. Is this done? If and that you get age. Nice. Rebirth. Yeah. This is cool. So rebirth. Rebirth. Nice. What else do I need? I don't think I need anything else. Yeah, that's the entity render passes. Invalidate code geom. Oh, okay. I think I found another one. Oh, code CPP. Okay, nice. So nice. Patch. Okay, good. So my bad. Collision geometry. Okay, this is fine. Geom. Okay, it should work. Three errors. Patch. Oh yeah, my bad. I need to add it to the source files. Geom CPP. Save. Export makefile. Now it works as expected. So invalidate is about setting matching. So validate. Collision geometry valid. Should have done this first. Should say 8 instead of 0. Yeah, indeed, 8. So git diff, git touch. Yeah. So git add code geom. Yeah, these guys. Actually, I can add everything here. Git commit, validation, code geom. Actually, what? I'm stupid. Git editor new vim git commit amend. So it's collision geometry invalidate. That's a better name. That's what happened. So here we've got another one, right? Entity CPP. Entity.h. Take this one out of here. get color geom. So in order for this to be correct, right, I need to go up there. So validate. Okay. End it. Somehow I managed to get the alignment correct. It got 100C. Okay. Cannot say it's correct. I can say that it is indeed correct. Okay. Invalidate collision. It's a proper name. It's this guy. Bam. So this looks fine. So many things we built. But oh no. Okay, Belgium, comma. Okay, this is cool. But now I need to take a look at get collision. Right. Where is it? Set member hidden. Okay, set member hidden. This guy. Actually goes through here. For reasons. This guy. Set member hidden. Set. Okay, it's this guy. Cap 94. 94? Wait. Entity. All right. Okay. Maybe I should finish for today. Yeah. I think it was good progress. But before that, let's just Ooh, it's broken. That's not good. Let's attach the debugger and see what's going on. The first launch of the X96 DBG takes so long, I don't know why. You go. So it died. Suspend. Doesn't mean that it's working now. Just means that I can do this. Okay. It seems to have worked just fine. Seems to be working just fine. So so it's like this. Okay, seems to be working just fine. Exit, no crash, please. Yes, no crash. So let's just save this again, just to make sure. Okay, it's touch. Oh yeah, git commit x forgot to export entity suspend, and it's ready to be pushed. Super secret password. Okay, it seems fine now. Save. Don't need to save this guy. So let's get the validator here. So the validator is working. What else do I need? What else do I need? Okay, I don't need this guy anymore. This is running. Oh no! Okay, let me just wait for this to finish. Ah, I messed up. Come on, man, just finish. Why is this taking so long? It should be instantaneous. Okay, save. Okay, now I can rerun this. Leave it down. Alrighty-o. So, it was a good stream today. It's GitHub stopped showing the differences. AI goals, yeah, lots of code added that I don't know if it will be relevant or not. Build bootable, AI path render. The cells make up the mesh. Oh, spline. Yeah, this damage interface stuff was quite fun to do. Maybe yeah, I had to fix one of these. It's cool stuff. Path. Yeah. I have nothing to say because there's so much differences that it's hard to say. Yeah. At least I'm still building the most up-to-date thing, right? See? Green. 50 seconds. Oh wow. It's starting to take longer and longer. It's kind of expected. But yeah, I have some things to do, so I'll go on my merry way. But before you go, and before I go, you should all go to my amazing blog and learn more about this project. And yes, that's it. See you on the next stream. Bye.